but God loving we should become. So one positive view about God, about world, about oneself. So this happens as we progress, as we evolve, and at a very high level we come to understand that the I, the self, the world and God are all expression of one supreme reality, that the Advaita view, the view which Bhagavan gives in this Bhagavad Gita, that the jiva, the individual, the world and God are not three different entities, they are expression of one reality alone. So this is the highest view, but at a low level, the asuras, what is their attitude about this world? They say asatyam apratishtham, this whole world is a big lie only. It is based on falsehood. Because they themselves, their life is based on falsehood. By cheating, by telling lies, by being dishonest, and by not being loyal, they have based their life, so they feel that world is like that only. And sometimes this business people and or some people and all, sometimes they teach their children also कि किसी पे विश्वास मत रखो. One father was teaching his little child कि बड़ा हो के मेरे जैसे businessman बन जाएगा. So he placed him on he told him that don't trust anyone including me. Then he placed him on top of a stool or something. And he said, you jump, I will catch you. And poor fellow jumped and he did not catch. He said, you should not trust even me. Anyway, so if I think my life is based on asatya, falsehood, then I consider the whole world is based on falsehood only. So they believe that everything is a lie, and apratishtham, and there is no adhar, there is no support, there is no foundation of goodness in this world. When this type of people, when they look also, they will first think that the other person is a cheat, a liar. So even assumption, we should have a positive assumption that the other person is what is it called? Non-guilty unless proved otherwise, honest and all, but innocent. But the asura person he says this fellow is a cheat unless proved otherwise. That he is a liar, whoever that person may be. Your own, his wife and children and relatives, friend, they are out to cheat me and they are out to trouble me. And आपको क्या बताए, सब लोग ऐसे बदमाश है. But have you really proved? नहीं, prove क्या करना है? उनको देख के पता चल जाता है. What is there to prove? But that day he returned your purse filled with lot of money. Just to create that stage. But he is a cheat only. So like that they look at the whole world with the eye of, it's like a cobbler who is sitting there, he will keep looking at people's shoes only. Like that, these people look at everyone as a cheat, a liar. They don't, it doesn't go into their head that honesty, loyalty, goodness is also there in this world. वो समझ में नहीं आती है बात. So asatyam apratishtham and jagat ahur anishwaram, and they say this whole world is not, there is no such great power who is controlling this world. There is nobody. Bhagwan kuch nahi hai. Because see, all the cheats and those who do all negative things, they prosper. So what God? Which God? There is no God. Jagat ahuhu anishwaram. There is no pratishtha of dharma. Do good and you will get good. Oh, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. This is their language, not my language. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. क्या सच्चाई and all, truthfulness and all. Those are all from the old to this from the Puranic stories and all. They are good for stories, moral stories. ऐसा नहीं होता है. झूठ बोलो and then only you will progress in life. There is no God who is looking after who is doing right and who is doing wrong. Just lead your life. Wherever you get opportunity, you take it. And this type of attitude we see on the road also. Whatever, if I am driving and I get an opportunity to go ahead, I will just push the other fellow and go ahead. He doesn't care for goodness, for dharma, that fellow has come before me, so let him go. No, I will try to somehow go ahead. So this type of behavior is seen in this Asuri people because they feel that there is no one who is controlling this world. There is no God. So Jagat Ahuhu Anishwaram and Aparaspara Sambhutam, and the whole world is functioning based on the interaction of two people based on their lust and their desire only. Kim anyat kama hetukam. Everything is controlled by people's desire and lust. There is no God, there is nothing. The desires motivate everyone to function in this world. Their lust, their passions motivate people to perform in this world. So all this talk about goodness, about righteousness, it makes no sense. If two people get together and they are fine, then it is fine. They are motivated by their passion and lust. So kim anyat kama hetukam. Other than lust and passion, there is nothing which is motivating and controlling and making the world function. There is no God and everything is false only. So that is the attitude. So their self view, they are all confused. There is no purity in their life. Falsehood is their motto of life. Their world view also is that the world is all based on falsehood, and God view also is that there is no such God, or even if he is there, he is not functioning, he is not doing anything. So all negative level, negative vision of life is there. And if this continues, they behave in the same way. They behave in the same way. Further, Bhagavan says what is their behavior, how they behave because of this philosophy of life, what is their expression in this world. Etam drishtim avashtabhya nashtatmanolpa buddhayah prabhavantyugra karmanah kshayaya jagato hitah etam drishtim avashtabhya. Etam drishtim avashtabhya, relying or holding this view of life, their self view, their world view, God view, holding this in their heart, they function in this world. So if you want to bring about change in yourself, we have to bring about change in our philosophy of life, how we look at ourselves. The more positive and more holistic and more sublime our vision about ourselves and the world is, the more we will, our actions will be better and we will evolve. That is our evolution. Evolution is to transform our vision of life, make it better and better until it becomes the ultimate. So, etam drishtim avastabhya, relying or holding on to this negative vision of life, these beings, nashtatmanaha, they destroy themselves, they destroy their own soul, they destroy their own self. Nashta atmanaha. Because this is a great opportunity, human opportunity is given to us but because of our negative vision and views, we destroy ourselves. So nashta atmanaha. And Bhagwan calls them alpa buddhayaha. They are of little understanding, little intellect. See, this type of people one may find in different fields of life. It is not that they are only in one field. You find them in different fields, right from the politics to everywhere. Different type of people will be there. All this devilish and the divine will be found everywhere, in all fields. So, nashta atmanaha alpa buddhayaha, of a little intellect, little understanding. Their understanding is very limited. And they are not interested in knowledge also. They are not interested in good advice. In Ramayana we have that Ravan was behaving so badly, so Vibhishan tried to advise him, but he did not listen to his advice. He kicked him. Then Hanumanji went there to Lanka and he tried to advise, he tried to give good knowledge to Ravan. He said, what you are doing is not proper. It is not proper behavior and it will be very costly for you. You will have to suffer because of that. But if you behave in a different way, things will be very nice for you. Hanumanji told him that you just return Sita ji and you just surrender to Bhagwan Ramchandra ji, make friendship with him and things will be good for you. You can rule this Lanka for a long time and everything will be nice. But he did not listen to him and he got real annoyed and he burnt his tail. Therefore, if you want to advise someone, just check your tail. If you don't have tail, then you can go and advise. But if tail is there, then it is dangerous. So, nashta atmanaha alpa buddhayaha, so of little intellect, prabhavanti ugra karmanaha, they are propelled to perform very harsh actions, very what you call fierce actions. They come out to perform fierce, harsh actions because this philosophy expresses in the form of action. When I have anger in my heart, either I will direct that anger towards myself and hurt myself or direct it towards the world. Because that anger is a power, it's an energy. It just doesn't stay just like that. So when I have this vision that, oh, world is denying me what belongs to me, or I am lacking in certain things, or the other person is going ahead of me, so jealousy, greed, pride, anger, craving, this expresses in fierce and very harsh actions outside. Ugra karmanaha. We don't then care for anyone. Even in Mahabharata we find such behavior by this Kauravas and all. They did not care for any dharma. They did not care for all these elders and all. They played the dice and then they lost the Pandavas and then the Draupadi was brought in the darbar and she was insulted. And all these great people were there sitting, Bhishma Pitamaha and Dronacharya. Nobody could do anything and they were totally helpless. So, Ugra Karmanaha, Kshayaya Jagato Ahitaha, and they are as though born to destroy the world only. They perform action and they have come into this world for its destruction, for its ahita, for its non-welfare. Hita means welfare, but against the welfare of this world. To create confusion in the world. See, just as one good person can restore peace and quietude in the society, one bad person also can churn and disturb the whole society. It can change the whole psyche of the whole world also sometimes. One negative person can change the psyche of the entire world. Some terrorist activities, something happens, people are moving in one particular direction, suddenly a certain thing happens, everyone's thinking changes, everyone's behavior changes, everyone's attitude changes towards life, towards God, towards themselves. It creates so much of disturbance in the society. And now with our all this media, our television and internet and all this news, they spread out so fast with our Twitters and other things and all. It fast. Before that fellow even decides to do something, he already sends that I have decided to do something, just informing you. He tweets. No? So, and the news are usually negative. If positive news doesn't become popular, कुछ तो नेगेटिव हो तो थोड़ा सा जोश आ जाता है. Sometimes people watch the news, they मजा नहीं आ गया न्यूज़ चैनल देख के. क्यों? Everything was so nice and wonderful. So negative news and all like. So they are propelled to do something bad and wrong into this world because of their philosophy. And however much one may try to change their philosophy, sometimes it doesn't change. At times the whole society may have this type of, everyone is asura around. That is also possible, that the mass is asura vritti. Then the whole society gets disturbed. Or sometimes a lot of good people and few people are very negative. So kshayaya jagataha ahitaha. Again, what is there?